mode and also cancel benefits in the same form. Okay, such scenario, because we cannot tell customer that, hey, you do this in eConnect lah, then only we can help you to submit this one in a hard copy. So because it's not very professional in that sense, therefore, for such requests, you can actually submit hard copy over the branch. Okay, this is scenario number 1. Okay, scenario number 2, okay, for payment related cases or urgent payment payout cases, okay, let's say, for example, full surrender, you submit together with direct credit form. Or example, claims, okay, you submit together with direct credit form. Okay, such cases, you can still accept exceptional handling, because by right direct credit, you are supposed to do in eConnect. But because it's attached together with your claim form, our surrender forms, we actually accept your direct credit application form. Okay, another example is that if we have your customer who are 60 years old and above, who are OKU, who are computer illiterate, okay, we can also accept your hard copy submission of form over to the branches. Okay, this type of customers, okay, please indicate the reasons in a form, okay, and just make sure that you all are betul-betul OKU lah. If OKU, then if can, do attach the card as well. Okay, having said that, okay, we trust all of you here, utmost good faith. Okay, cannot be every time you submit the form, customer computer illiterate, computer illiterate. Okay, our objective here is not to open up a channel for you to submit, then you're all just write computer illiterate, then we accept. Okay, only exceptional handling, okay, we know that sometimes you find difficulties in managing your customer first time or second time, we can still do for you. Okay, but in the long run, okay, it has to be saying that, okay, the customer cannot also be finding you every time they want to do eConnect transactions. Okay, so bear that in mind. Okay, another exceptional handling is for EasyPay. Okay, if let's say customer has 10 policies, okay, then wants to change credit card, you tell them that, oh, you go to eConnect, because in eConnect currently, okay, for you to change credit card number, you cannot select all. You have to go in one by one and you have to update one by one. That means 10 times you're going to have 10 times OTP. Okay, so we understand this is not the right ideal way to do it. That's why if customer wants to update credit card for more than 3 policies and above, you can also submit hard copy. Okay, and obviously XOACM, which is not available in eConnect, you can view, but you cannot perform any transactions. Accelerated assignment, keyman policies, all these cases, you can still submit to branch hard copy original. Okay, let's say, for example, cases whereby you go and meet this customer and then suddenly cannot receive OTP. Okay, you cannot say that, oh, sorry, I will eConnect down. Can I make appointment to see you again next time or things like that? Such scenario, straight away give customers the form. Okay, and then you indicate there that, or you snapshot and then you print out together with the EasyPay form attached. Show us the proof that actually customer cannot receive OTP. We will also proceed for you. Okay, yes, no doubt in general, we cannot open up ICM and open up all transactions, but actually we have come up with this exceptional handling. So at least, okay, most of your customers that is doesn't want to do right now eConnect, 1 time, 2 times, we can still do for you. Okay, so this is the whole objective of this exceptional handling. And we also do not want to support you in a sense that we do not mean that, you know, we do not need agents anymore, or agents is no longer relevant because all ask customers to self-serve. Okay, the key point is that you and me know customers do not how to use eConnect. You all know how to use eConnect. Okay, customer wants you to go and service them. Okay, so actually you can still go and find this customer. Okay, and then you can still service this customer by, instead of letting sign the application form, you're saying that, hey, you have actually received your OTP right in front of you. Can you give it to me? And then you let customer see that in your iPad, your address has already been changed. Okay, so any questions on this or anything that you all want to raise pertaining to this exceptional handling? Okay, because we have seen that, okay, since January, actually we officially rejected this document since January, okay, and now it's already March already. Okay, so exceptional handling, okay, I leave it to your agents, I leave it to you all in utmost good faith. Okay, I trust that you are actually tried to do it. Right, if really cannot, then we do. Okay, anything that you want to raise here now? Or not, actually, you can actually chat, type in the chat room. Okay, if anything that you want to let us know, okay, you can just check in the chat room, then we will see that how are we going to do. Okay, but this exceptional handling, if you do not have it in your handphone, okay, get it from the ADs or get it from the leaders. I have actually forwarded all this exceptional handling in WhatsApp so that it's easier for you to reference. And sometimes eConnect, okay, if there is a scheduled downtime, let's say we know that, oh, come last Saturday, eConnect was down, automatically, if you submit the form and you say that server is down or eConnect down, we will also accept the process for you. Okay, so we hope that, okay, with all this exceptional handling, we actually cover a lot of your customer segment already. Okay, so now it's just, connecting the customers and onboarding the customers using these transactions. Okay. Okay, if no questions, then I will move on. Okay, another thing is that effective 1st of March, okay, BP Lab and BP Diagnosis Center is no longer our new business panel lab. Okay, and because in the past, I think some of you encounter problems whereby, they go to BP Lab, they say already submitted the documents, but why company so slow, never underwrite? Actually, is that they haven't received the report. Okay, so all our panel clinics has already been notified. So rightfully, if they go to that clinic will never send the blood test, okay, to BP anymore. Okay, so this is just for your knowledge and your understanding. Okay, so if let's say any customers ask you, can I go to BP Lab? Right now is effective 1st of March. They are no longer our panel. Okay. Okay, the next thing that I would like to highlight to you all, okay, I understand that, in the past few weeks or past few months, okay, there's a lot of agents outside there crying out to say that, hey, how come our claim, our HSD reimbursement is so slow? Okay, just let me share with you. Okay, in 2022, okay, our policy holders is 1.4 million average lah. Okay, and we have about 125 panel hospitals, okay, and 25 preferred hospitals. Okay, in 2022, our GL was 1,000 per day. Okay, but come January 2023, okay, I think our policy holders, okay, thanks to all you all, okay, has increased to nearly to about 2 million customers. Okay, and the GL per day now is 1,006 per day. Okay, so there is a spike in all the cases. Okay, and if you could remember back in June, July 2022, we have this issue of GL being delayed. Okay, so they have remobilized the team to help on the GL, which today I think the GL has been better managed lah. Okay, but at the cost of now our reimbursement claim is suffering. Okay, today I just like to let you know that actually there is a backlog in our payout cases for reimbursement. Okay, so I know that you all have been trying to call call center, longer waiting times, 45 minutes, sometimes you cannot call. Okay, that is why we say that if there is any cases, reimbursement cases, okay, which is from January onwards, still haven't paid out, okay, please look for the leaders. Okay, the leaders, okay, please escalate to Brandon team or my team. Okay, and then we will see, we will try to get the cases approved in between 7 to 10 working days. Okay, so I see all your understanding here. Okay, once you give us the case, okay, do not go and ICM again or call again, because you know that they're having some resources issue as well. So if by you passing to us and then you keep on call center or you keep on ICM again, it does not help on the volume. Okay, what we have actually also remobilized certain of our 21 branch staff to help on HSD already. Okay, so if can, okay, look through all your cases. If there is, okay, we are talking only about medical claim. We are not talking about life claims for now. Okay, medical claim, reimbursement claim, pre or post claim. Okay, if there is delay, January cases, okay, highlight to us. Okay, give us 7 to 10 working days after you highlight to us. Thereafter, you do not go and ICM or call again, because it's the same thing. You call, it's very hard to get through. ICM, they are not going to reply. So you are actually getting more and more frustrated, but your problem still does not solve. Okay, once you escalate to us these cases, okay, give us 7 to 10 working days. Okay, and then we will try to approve the case if we can. Okay, so I know you all are very frustrated because customer is chasing you all, and then you all call center, you all call ICM, you're not getting a response. Okay, so today I'm letting you know that yes, okay, there is certain outstanding issues in our HSD medical claim, okay, where we are trying to, okay, bring it down as soon as possible. But also I can tell you the volume coming in for pre and post claim is 600 to 800 per day. We are only managing to we can only clear approximately 600 cases per day. Okay, so you can see the snowballing effect. Okay, that is what is actually happening, okay, in HSD. Okay, I do not have the instant formula to tell you that okay, tomorrow all will be back in track. But what we can say is that slowly, okay, if there is January cases, let us know. Okay, we are trying to kill all January cases and then count February cases. Okay, but like I said, rather than you all to go, I submit ICM, I call, I submit the branch, I see which one can give me faster response. Okay, so I seek all of your cooperation. Okay, let us branches know only, and then you give us 7 days notice. Then you don't call, you don't ICM. Okay, by 7 to 10 working days, we will try to get all your cases approved. Okay, Ken? Okay, I know that this is the issues lah. That's why today I would like to let you all know on this. Okay, these are the estimate. Okay, another thing is that okay, on your call service, okay, let us explain to you, okay, because there's a lot of calls. You say they're waiting for 15 minutes, 40 minutes, cannot get through call center, HSD. Okay, like I said, because all of them are being remobilized to do the PM post. That's why we have limited resources. Okay, but what HSD told me, okay, or what they tell me is that, okay, actually each time that a customer or agent calls in, at one time they can accept 17 phone numbers. That means there is 17 call centers which they can accept the phone. Okay, either you have been waiting, okay, already, but let's say you are the 18 caller, 19 caller, or 20 caller. Okay, once you pick up the phone, you wait, automatically the phone will be dropped. That's why you all have this frustration, no? Okay, but if let's say you have reached and then this the voice message, okay, HSD team ask us to tell you, okay, to leave a message, okay, but just don't leave a message saying that call back. Okay, state your name, state your policy number, state your phone number. Okay, call center will call you back, okay, in 1 day time. Okay, either they call you on the same day or the next morning they will call you back. Okay, the callback features, okay, it's 100%, but it's only 60% because 40% of the voice message or they just say that call back, please call back urgent, but they do not leave your phone number. They cannot call you all back. Okay, so try this out. This is an alternative solution. Okay, which actually what we are trying to, lower down the frustration that you all are having. Okay, Hanwee can improve on this reimbursement, follow AIA, can apply GL for post-hospitalization or snap photo receipts through apps and they finish. Okay, for now, okay, we can tell you that HSD claim we are not embarking on E yet, but for life claims, okay, later I will tell you that we are embarking on E claims for life. Okay. No, the 17 calls is that at one time, okay, they can receive 17 calls in one go. Okay, it doesn't mean that we only have 17 people picking up 17 calls for 20,000 people. Okay, at one time when the call comes in, okay, they can have 17. After the 17 calls, the rest all will be on waiting, and therefore sometimes it will be auto cut off. That's why sometimes it says that, hey, how come I wait so long and then I cut me off? Okay, because in the phone line can only comes in at one go 17 lines. It doesn't mean that we only have 17 person working. Okay, we will have more than that, okay, working, okay, but it's just that at one time the line calls in, okay, they can accept 17 lines at one go. Okay, any plan on how, okay, like I says, okay, for now, we do not have a solution to say that, okay, today I apply this, tomorrow all back to normal. We can't. Okay, but we are remobilizing our branch staff, okay, to help out HSD. Okay, we have, I think, HSD have also tried to okay, it doesn't mean that we do not employ people. Okay, it's just that once we employ, people come, people go lah. Okay, so we are trying to get all this back on track. Okay, but for the moment, if people comes in, they need time to training, they need time to learn and things like that. So the instant remedy now is that we are redeploying certain of our branch staff to help out. Okay, so we are pooling all our resources together. Hopefully, we can bring down this outstanding volume. Okay, so like I say, so since now that you are aware, okay, so if you can, cases that really customer wants to complain, not happy or wants to cancel policy already, okay, highlight to us first. We'll see what we do. But now we can tell you if January cases, let us know first. Okay, we are killing cases, okay, as we go on. So every day we have escalation, every day we have checking on how do we want to keep on reduce this. Okay, like I says, I need the call line, okay, because of this is happening, everyone wants to call to ask what is my status. Okay, might as well, okay, when you escalate to us, do not call anymore. Because like you say, you will get more frustrated and then you'll be, hey, how come our call center is so long? Okay, this we know, we acknowledge already. That's why we say that, okay, these are the few remedies or these temporary solutions, okay, that we can actually, provide with you now. Okay, at least, you know what is happening. You're not in the dark. Okay, and at least now, we are trying to see what best that we can do. Okay, hopefully the volume, or hopefully with all our resources gathered, okay, we can actually bringing down the volume faster lah. Okay, so if anything that you all want escalation on new HSD case, okay, please let us know. Okay, let your GMs know. Okay, we communicate one channel. Okay, Ken? Anything you all want to voice, unmute yourself and talk? Okay, if not, I continue. Okay, with all these HSD issues, we move on now to live claims. Okay, the live claims is that now, okay, they are going on board with e-submissions or e-claims, okay, whereby all of these claims benefit, you can actually do it via your Great App Planner. Okay, it's already rolled out. Okay, you all can try. Okay, I will also share with all the leaders and also your agency directors, okay, all the videos. Okay, the videos, the frequently asked question, all is inside here already. The videos is also in, if I'm not wrong, in Facebook, your Great Learning or Great Something is already in there, but I share in WhatsApp to you, so you can have it in your mobile phone. Okay, every time that you don't know, you can actually refer to this video. Okay, this video is a step-by-step guide on how are you going to do e-claims. Okay, for e-claims, okay, I was told, okay, and I was also told that, for live claims, last time, if you submit over the counter, of course, it's actually 2 days later already, because one day we courier, next day only they start processing, it's already 2 days. But if you use your digital claim, they say that the claim can be approved in 3 days. Okay, you all can try it out. Okay, this is going to be like MPOS. Okay, last time, remember, we want it to be 100% all MPOS submission. Okay, claims now, okay, on average, Penang receive about 250 claim document in 1 month. Okay, so right now we are trying to say that can these 250 claims all be digital? That means 100% you all use e-claims to submit your documents. Okay, when you submit your documents, the original receipt you don't have to send, yeah. Okay, but you have to keep it for 6 months to 1 year, just like how you like how you submission to your income tax, your LHDN. Okay, so actually, these are the benefits. Okay, it's convenient, it's faster. Okay, it's more speed. Okay, you all can try it out. Okay, if let's say you try out and then you say that you have certain issues that you don't know, come to my branch. Okay, look for my ASC staff. Okay, they are supposed to help you to do this digital claim service. Okay, so before, that last time we want to move like e-transaction 100%, MPOS 100%. Okay, this eventually will also be 100%. Okay, but I think that you all also experience HSD is very slow. Okay, now that because of the outstanding issues, it's very slow. Okay, live claims, you can say that, yeah, sometimes it's not that slow, you can see, but it's a good opportunity for you to try on. And let's say, by the time company says that I want to make it 100%, you are already out, most of your cases are already going to e-claims already. So you will not feel so stressful. Okay? So I do encourage, okay, after this session, I will share all the videos, okay, to the agency directors and to the leaders. Okay, if let's say you all have yet to receive the videos, please ask from us. Okay, we are here to support you in a sense that we want to guide you all using this service. Okay, as usual, okay, I would not want to overpromise every one of you here. Okay, the first few attempts or the first few tries in using these e-claims may not be so smooth. Okay, you may encounter certain error, this and that, like MPOS. Like I think you have been through that. Okay, okay, whenever we roll out, MPOS, okay, there is always certain issues. Okay, but today all of you all are using mPOS already. Okay, seems to go to these e-claims. Okay, the only thing is that you need an iPad and you need your grade planner to submit this claim.
Hello, sir.
Okay, Ken?
Yeah. Okay, I tried to submit the e-claim through the GP, our grade planner. I pressed the what I call the create new claim, but after that I use the identification number, that is the IC number or policy number. Yet couldn't view any form over there.
Okay, can you okay, I think they have this last time you can search by customer IC. Can you search by policy number? I think certain case, like these are the cases Mr. Ramasamy, whereby we will actually check, okay, it should appear. But if it does not appear, let us know. Come to the branch, we will see how we can guide you to do this. First few attempts very susah, I understand. Certain GMs also told me that, it's not easy, but the video guide, once I send to you, maybe you all can try.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks. Okay. Okay for me to move on, yeah. Okay, another thing is that we have been running this since November last year. Okay, whereby for Northern region, we have this virtual servicing platform, okay, where you can actually dial in, okay, and you can actually do your servicing, okay, and these people are actually my branch staff. Some are from Taiping, some are from Alostar, some are from Ipoh, but they are doing by session wise. Okay, the objective of us doing this is that, sometimes we want to reduce you all to come into the branch. Okay, and we also want to increase your efficiency in driving sales. Okay, so instead of you driving all the way to come here, you maybe want to ask this virtual servicing platform. Okay, this servicing platform, okay, if you do not know or if you haven't tried yet, okay, yes, you will still be put in the lobby. Okay, but I have asked a few GMs, yeah, like, the waiting time is not as long as when you call up our call center. It's definitely faster, but you still have to wait sometimes. Okay, I know you can tell me that, hey, how come I wait, but for how long I don't know because I'm in the lobby. But okay, because we are using this Teams Webex, okay, and it's the free Webex. That's why we cannot tell you that how many is in line. But we actually every time we have 2 lines running in the same time. Okay, so a lot of y'all says that branch don't want to do this, don't do forms. So what do? We actually do a lot of virtual servicing now. Okay, coming forward, we are actually going to do virtual servicing for customers. Okay, that means customers don't want to come to the branch. We can actually do it via virtually. Okay, it's the same. We can still see the staff. Okay, we also do verification. Okay, so we have actually running this. Okay, for agents for the past, I think, 5 months to 6 months already. We are going to roll out for customers already also. Okay, so these are certain initiatives, okay, that we are moving towards. Okay, and also our objective is that if let's say we can settle the customer's issue, okay, or also the agent's issue on the spot, okay, then we can actually customers want to come in. Okay, Hanwei, the time is short. Can add another session or prolong the time. I would like to do so. Okay, but if let's say we can actually reduce the agent, the same people, okay, if you notice, the same people who are doing virtual servicing are actually my our branch staff doing frontline customer serving. Okay, so 1 hour they do here, another hour they have to serve the customer's branch staff. So as we go along, let's say if I can, I want to have this every hour, every day. Okay, so, but before we can move on to that stage, okay, we have to slowly reduce the walk-in so that I can increase this virtual, because there are still certain agents who actually want to come to the branch. Okay, so we are trying to balance this up. Okay, if you could remember last time when we started this, is only for Penang is only Tuesday and Thursday. And then now we have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and now we have 5 days, 2 lines. Okay, we are slowly expanding now. Okay, but as usual, if the more take up rate and the more agents is actually supporting this platform, then we can actually open up more platforms or more lines so that everyone can use lah. Okay, because for now, yes, quite short, but it's still not everyone is engaging on this lah. So if you want more lines, more time on this one, can. Okay, that means we have to have more people coming in, more agents using this service platform, then okay, we can expand further lah. Okay, but definitely we want this to open more lines, definitely. Okay. William, why nobody pick up call to GGM? Try to call 4 days, but nobody answer. Always recorded message. GEGM. William, can you just let me know the number that you call? Then I will just check with my colleagues in GGM lah. Okay, but recently, if you could know, our line also all our phone lines having some issue lah. So I think that will also be a cost. But let me know. I will check with them first, see whether it's the same thing or not, which is happening. Okay, form verification in this. What we mean is that you want to see that what your form was rejected. Okay, but rather than you come all the way to see why is it rejected, you can just call and say, hey, my form got rejected. Why is the form being rejected? Okay, so this is what it means by virtual servicing. Okay, also, okay, just if you have come to the branch from January onwards, okay, you can see a lot of cones in front of the branch. Okay, not allowed to parking. Okay, I think parking issue, people waiting and stopping, okay, all has come back already lah. Okay, so we all seek all your agents or all of your corporation. Okay, if you really want to wait for a while, okay, please, okay, if you say 5 minutes, please only 5 minutes. Okay, if you see this picture here, okay, actually this belongs to our Great Eastern agent. Okay, we don't know who. Okay, but okay, I don't know, he or she just parked right in front of here and it caused the whole road to block because nobody can turn. Okay, and Bank Islam also complains that why this car parked right in front, and he parked for I think about 15 minutes. Okay, so I know, I think this is our own social responsibility. Okay, now I have actually removed all the cones. Okay, and we have already cars parked. Right, okay, if it's 5 minutes, okay, I told the guard, okay, in the past, yes, the guard asked you cannot park, just move. But now it says that, okay, just park. If it's too long, the guard asks us to move. I think it's fair that you move. Okay, if you notice now, I remove the cones, okay, but it's not for you to park. Okay, if can, please outside, please downstairs. Okay, and also please, okay, all of us are human beings lah. Okay, do not scold the guard. Okay, do not shout at the guards. Okay, I have also received complaints. Okay, certain ones also videos shown that our agent actually shout at the guard. Yeah, of course, we don't want to make this matter worse. Okay, but I ask all of you. Okay, last time, all these things never happened because all of us so flexible, got car park here and there. Now everything is back to normal. Okay, and we also foresee cars are a lot parking in front already. Okay, that's why we can tolerate. Okay, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, fair. Okay, but sometimes you all say 5 minutes, ended up 45 minutes waiting there outside. Okay, just to let you know, okay, yes, we own the building, but we have other tenants. Okay, we have Bank Islam, we have British Council. Okay, sometimes when they come, okay, and then they say, hey, how come you let people park, but when we come in, you don't let us wait? Okay, so I seek all of our understanding. Okay, since we have a lot of us here. Okay, please be responsible lah. Okay, I think everyone okay also wants to be fast. Okay, especially Malaysians say okay very fast 5 minutes only, but ended up 20 minutes 15 minutes don't care. Okay, so this is just for you all to know. Okay, please I seek your cooperation on this. Okay, anything else that you all want to share or you want to raise up? Okay, I'm actually done already. Okay, just now we took 2 hours, okay, because there was a lot of, leaders feedback, okay, giving some suggestion, why we do this, why do we do that. So that's why it was quite interactive. Okay, so any of y'all here, okay, who wants to know or wants to, let us know why we are doing this, please unmute, okay. Okay, William, let me check with this number. I will check with GEGM. Or if not, then maybe I ask them to give you a call back. Okay, anyone wants to share anything? Okay, if no, okay, I will start to send the e-claims video to you all. Okay, for HSD cases, okay, those that is really, really burning or your customer taro you until you cannot tahan already, highlight to us, highlight to the ADs, highlight to your leaders, okay, and then after that, give us 7 to 10 working days. Okay, give us 7 to 10 working days, we will try to get it approved for you. Okay, then to reduce your stress, you don't be so frustrated because customer already taro you already call center, lagi you wait HSD for 45 minutes. Later, I know you lagi hot. Okay, so to reduce all this, okay, reach out to us. Okay, then you give us some 7 days, 7 to 10 working days, we will try to solve it for you for now. So I will update you again, okay, or in the leaders or in the BD group, what is the current status? If let's say we are back to normal, then at least we can let you know. Can? Okay, if not, then we will end this month's sharing session. If anything, then you just let us know. Thank you, everyone.